Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the JBL Go Bluetooth speaker to your Android tablet. And this is very simple to do. Just swipe down from the top right, and you can go to the Bluetooth option right here, or go to Settings. Go to Bluetooth, and then make sure it's turned on, and then go to Search if you have the option. Now, turn on the device, and then tap the Bluetooth button right here. So that button will make this light blink. And then we can just go to available devices and tap it, and then go to pair. So it's very simple connecting this. And then we got the volume controls, and we can pause or play our content right there. So just tap that Bluetooth button right there after you turn it on. That'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to refresh, and you should see it under your Bluetooth settings now. So this is a wonderful little speaker to just carry around with you. Now, if you want to disconnect this and bring it to a new device and not have as many issues, just go to the eye and then go to forget right here and remove it from your device now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.